Well, hi. Thank you for coming and joining me as we explore example 2 of our Venn diagram part 1 lesson. So I highly encourage you, please try example 2 first on your own. Give it a try, see what you come up with. At the end of either this video or the next video, you'll see the answers. You can check your answers, and then if you still have questions, you can come back and watch the whole video. So let's get started. The Venn diagram shows some animals that can be found in a house, H, at a farm, F, and in the wild, W. So my H circle is for house, my F circle is for farm, and my W circle is for wild. List the animals for each of the following sets and give a one-sentence description of what the set means. Okay, well, let's take a look at part A. Part A is set H. That's all we need. Well, I know H is for the house. So I need all of the animals that can be found in a house. Well, okay, so all I want is H. All I want is this circle H. I don't need any of the F. I don't need the W. So I'm actually going to physically cover up the things that I don't want. So all I want is circle H, so I'm going to cover everything else up so I don't get sidetracked. And I'm going to see that set H is, and I'm going to use little squiggly brackets because this is how we make a set, or we make a list of numbers or elements or values. And I know that this is going to be a dog, a cat, a rabbit, and a parrot. Because these are the only animals that are in my circle H. Okay? All these other ones are in other circles. So what does this mean? Okay, what this means is that a dog, cat, rabbit, and parrot are animals that can be found in a house. Okay, so this tells me these are the animals that can be found in a house. All right, so let's take a look at part B. Well, part B is really similar. So let's see if we can go through this a little bit faster. I know F is for farm. So I know all I want is my F circle. So I'm going to use this strategy again and literally cover up all the other things, so that way I've only got my F circle. And then I'm going to write down the animals that are inside F. There's a lot of them. There's a dog, a cat, a rabbit, a cow, sheep, not in the way, it's okay, turkey and horse. Okay, so what this tells me is so set F tells me that a dog, cat, rabbit, cow, sheep, can't spell, turkey, and horse. Oh my goodness, all kinds of writing mistakes here. Can be found on a farm. Okay, so that's set H, that's set F. So let's take a look. I'm sorry, that's the whole thing. Well, sorry, didn't realize you couldn't see my writing. Set F tells me that a dog, cat, rabbit, cow, sheep, turkey, and horse can be found on a farm. Okay, so let's take a look at part C. Let's see what part C is going to bring us. Okay, so part C gets a little bit more interesting here. So part C has H and F. So part C, well, here's the thing. H and F means animals in the house and that little thing there means and the farm. Okay, so I need H and F. I need all the animals that are in circle H and at the same time in circle F. So I'm not going to worry about any of the ones over here. Like all of these guys over here, they're in circle F, but they're not in circle H, and I need them to be in both circles. The parrot is in circle H, but notice the parrot is not in circle F. I need animals that are in both H and in F. So I'm going to cover up the pieces I don't want. So this middle section here, notice the dog, the cat, and the rabbit are in circles H and also in circle F. So these are the animals that overlap. So we've got that H intersect F is the set dog, cat, and rabbit. Now what this means is, so the set H intersect F tells us that a dog, cat, and rabbit can be found in a house and on a farm. So these are animals that maybe you have in your house, and these are also animals that maybe you see on a farm. So to recap, here is our answer to A and B. Here is our answer to part C. And join me in the next video, and we'll do parts D, E, F, and G.